For the last few years, I've been traveling around Europe in this car, for which I had created a system that would allow me to fit a bed for 2 people inside. Although this system has been useful so far, it has not been always the most comfortable due to this minimal space available. It was time to upgrade, so I sold my car and I bought a small van. I wanted a vehicle that would also serve me for the everyday life, so after a little research I decided to go with the NV200 from Nissan. In this camper build I could fit drawers, cabinets with electrical, an interior table, cabinets for all my belongings, water deposits, clean and grey water, a sink with 2 modes, normal and shower, and of course the shower can be used outside. It also contains a small chemical toilet, and the rear sofa converts into a double bed. First, the sofa goes into leg rest mode, then the rear seats fall down, and finally the front extension of the bed is placed on top. If you want to know how I have done all this, join me in this series of episodes where I will detail all the process. The first step was to remove all the panels from the van, so we could take a better look behind them. This van was used for a couple of years, so it was full of dust and dirt under the panels. It was time to start cleaning. Some areas were stained black from the discoloration of the metal, but as you can see, the rest was white and shiny. It was time to remove the side panels and the roof, and continue the cleaning. Once everything was clean, we added soundproofing plates to the metal, so this sound could stay muffled just as above. As you can see, we paneled all the metal on the van, including behind the speakers, the roof, and also the side doors. We filled all the gaps with this thermal insulating material. Even the beams, the back doors and the side doors. Next, we would glue more material on the roof, which you will see me do in this video, but I do not recommend it since, as you will see in future episodes, I had to end up removing it when modifying the roof of the van. Finally, it only remained to place the vapor barrier covering all the holes. Once the vapor barrier was installed, the trim panels were repositioned on top, just like this. here's the final result, with the vapor barrier installed on the roof and on all the sides of the van. Finally, we put the roof, the floor and the seats back to be able to continue using the van until its next modification. And as you can see, once everything is in place, it seems that nothing has been modified, but the change in acoustic and thermal insulation is notable and would be very useful when we use the van in our trips.